Have you ever found yourself saying, I don't trust anyone? I don't trust people? I don't trust so-and-so? Well, we've all experienced moments where someone else's actions have shaken our trust. Maybe it's a betrayal, broken promises, and sometimes it's just people not showing up the way we expected. In certain moments, it's easy to feel like the world itself is untrustworthy. But here's the thing, when we can't trust the world, what we're really saying is that we don't trust ourselves. You see, broken trust from others can sometimes feel like an attack, especially on our worth. Like we're not enough, we're inadequate. But the truth is, the behaviors of others shouldn't dictate how we feel about ourselves. Our sense of self-worth, self-value, and emotional safety and security, these are all rooted in how we view ourselves, but not how others behave. So today, I want you to share some actionable steps to help cultivate a deep sense of self-trust, to rebuild the belief in yourself, and to create emotional safety that's unshakable, no matter what's going on around you. The first step is sacred pause. When we're in a rush to make decisions, or we're overwhelmed by the emotions that come with broken trust, we often act impulsively, and that can lead to regret. So, the sacred pause is about taking a moment, even just for a few minutes. Center yourself before making any big decisions. Feel, take a breath, allow breath to help you feel internally. Tune into how you feel. Is this choice aligned with your highest good? Does it honor your values? Does this choice supersede your spiritual path? Pausing gives you the space to reconnect with your inner guidance. Second practice is discernment. Trust isn't about being naive or assuming that everything and everyone is going to be perfect. It's about developing the wisdom to see things clearly. Pay attention to red flags, not just the potential in people, but the actual situation. We all want to believe in the best of others. But when you see warning signs, don't ignore them. Trust is about seeing things as they are, not just as you hope them to be. Next, slow down. Trusting ourselves does not mean rushing through life trying to fix everything in a hurry. Taking your time allows you to process your emotions and truly get to know your inner self. When we rush, we overlook our intuition. When we slow down, we can hear our innermost wisdom. It's also valuable to practice integration and accountability in your growth. Sometimes we fall into the trap of making other people's actions about us. It's understandable, but it's also unhelpful. So instead of blaming yourself for letting the actions of others take up emotional space in your life, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can this experience help me grow? This isn't about self-blame. It's about empowering yourself and taking responsibility for your feelings and actions. Ask yourself, how did I play a role in this? So here's the takeaway. Trust is an inside job. When you trust yourself, you stop giving away your power to external circumstances or the actions of others. By taking pauses, practicing discernment, slowing down and holding yourself accountable to your growth, you build a solid foundation of self-trust. And once you've built that foundation, nothing and no one can shake it. If this resonated with you, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. How do you cultivate trust in your life? Let's keep the conversation going. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips on growth, self-discovery, and spirituality. Until next time.